Hello, my name's Jay Harley, and I'm here today with Luke Bath. We work in Alliotts Business Services Department in our London office. Today we're going to run through some of the add-ons which can be implemented with Xero and how they can be used easily within your business to help save time and help your business grow. We are joined by Jim Leaves today, who will explain about Xero's growth in the UK and how it can help your business. Firstly, we'll explore Square and iZettle, which are both great integrated point of sales tools for retail businesses to allow them to accept credit and debit card payments and record sales efficiently. Secondly, we'll talk about Data Molino and Expensify, which my colleague Luke will talk to you about. These are great tools to reduce the amount of time spent inputting invoices and receipts into your accounting software and speed up the submission and approval of expense claims. Finally, we'll explore Spotlight Reporting, a reporting and forecasting solution that integrates with Xero to allow you to make informed business decisions. So the first product we're going to talk about is Square. The principal benefit of Square is that it provides a low-cost method of collecting card payments from customers in a retail setting. Square also offers a comprehensive POS system that is free to use. The POS system works through an app that is compatible with the majority of tablets and mobile phones and comes with a smart little Square card reader. Square's POS system is suitable for all retail businesses, but its features and product library make it particularly great for the food and drinks industry. Square has many features which can help with the day-to-day running of your business. It enables you to track stock levels, send invoices to customers, and add separate staff accounts with varying access, which provides security for your business. Square integrates with Xero automatically, imports your sales data on a daily basis, ensuring that you also have the visibility of your sales performance. On initial setup, the link between Xero and Square can be configured such that VAT, refunds, fees, and tips are all posted to the correct accounts in Xero. iZettle has a similar offering to Square, with both a POS system and a card terminal. However, iZettle differs considerably when it comes to the hospitality industry, with additional equipment on offer such as kitchen printers and cash drawers. iZettle has additional features which are targeted towards the hospitality industry, such as mapping out your table layouts, opening tabs, and allowing customers to split their bills. The functionality allows you to take orders directly on your mobile phone or tablet, even when offline, and send orders electronically to your kitchen or bar. iZettle also differs as it has an e-commerce platform which enables businesses to set up their own website to begin trading online. iZettle also has a function called iZettle Cash Advance, a finance solution for short-term cash needs. I'm now going to pass you over to my colleague Luke Bath, who's going to talk to you about Data Molino and Expensify.
Data Molino is a bookkeeping aid that enables businesses to reduce the amount of time spent on manual entry of invoices and receipts and increases the accuracy of data entered. Data Molino is more suited to businesses with a high volume of receipts and invoices, as it frees up your employees' valuable time that can then be utilised elsewhere. The software can be configured to receive invoices directly from your email inbox, reducing the administration burden. The software extracts the key information from the invoices and receipts that it receives and generates a draft posting to Xero for you to approve. Data Molino learns as it goes, making the input of invoices efficient and simple. Expensify is primarily an expense management solution that streamlines the entry, submission and approval of expense claims for you and your employees. Expensify allows you to set up custom expense policies based on amount and nominal coding and supports multi-level approval structures. Expenses can be submitted by taking a photograph on a mobile or tablet device via an app and uploaded to Expensify. In the same manner as Data Molino, this will then generate a posting that is then ready for the employee to submit. Once the expense has been approved by the relevant people, the expense is automatically pushed into your Xero accounting software. At Alliotts, we have seen the positive effect that apps like Data Molino and Expensify have on our clients. Now I'm going to pass over to Jay.
Thank you, Luke. So now I'm going to talk about Spotlight Reporting. Spotlight Reporting is an integrated reporting and forecasting solution that integrates well with Xero and can also connect with other applications. The software is able to consolidate financial statements of up to 50 entities in multiple currencies. and there is an extensive collection of charts that can be used to provide a visual representation of your data. The forecast portion of the software allows you to create what-if scenarios and three-way forecasts with flexible rules and great outputs that are useful for bank and board purposes. I am now going to hand you over to Jim Leaves, who is going to talk about how Xero can help grow your business.
Thank you, Jay. We're really excited at Xero about what we're doing globally and how we're growing globally, and really excited to be working with Jay and Luke and the team at Alliotts to help them provide you with some really excellent first-class service and to ultimately help your business grow. That's Xero's main aim as a company. We were formed 11 years ago in New Zealand, and our founder, Rod Drury, looked at this and said, we've got 1 million plus subscribers worldwide now. Wouldn't it be great if each one of those could add one job? So that's what we're all about. We do that through a couple of routes. One of them is by providing you as a small business with the tools that you need to make that happen. But secondly, to provide accountants with the tools that they need to provide you with the advice that will help you on that journey. Just to give you a bit of background on Xero and how we've grown. So we've now got over 1.2 million subscribers globally, all small and medium businesses. And in the UK is actually our fastest growing market. So we've got more than 250,000 subscribers in the UK. And you can see that is growing quite substantially. So as cloud technology is adopted by more and more businesses, as the ecosystem around that cloud technology improves, then businesses are seeing that having a solution that is online really drives some benefits to help them with that growth. In terms of what we're doing within our product, yes, we are a software solution, and being cloud-based means that we can add all sorts of updates as we go without having to have a new version, without having to have a new CD-ROM through the post that you have to upload to your software. Last year, just to, as a headline figure, we had over 2,500 releases into the product. It's improving all the time, and for a relatively small monthly fee, so compared to something like a mobile phone, then you're getting all of that upgrade as we go. And one of Xero's key differentiators we see is the marketplace that we've got around our bookkeeping software. So as well as having banks and finance institutions send their information and their data straight into Xero so that you can then do the analysis, we also have over 650 different add-ons in our approved marketplace, some of them which Jay and Luke have really well described and explained how they work for you. Have a look around, see what's there. The team at Alliotts will be able to help you with that search for which add-ons are the ones that will be useful for you and your business. Just a couple of other things from me. Firstly, want to point you in the direction of the Xero website, which has some business guides there for you. So there are all kinds of different business guides here, all completely free, and articles that will help you grow your business. Some of these are around online invoicing or cloud accounting and why that is beneficial, but also there's introductions there to marketing support, to accountancy and bookkeeping support, and why they are critical to help you grow. Just to cover off a couple of the benefits of digital record keeping, in case you're still considering that option. So here we really see that just a number of the larger main reasons why people are interested in keeping their records digitally. A lot of these are to help save time, to help you be more efficient. But the point about collaboration with your accountant, with your bookkeeping team, particularly if you're looking to outsource, that kind of thing, is one of the real benefits. One of the things that we can also now do with the technology available, particularly with bank feeds sending in information on a daily basis, is that on a real-time basis, you can understand how your business has performed and where it stands. So in conjunction with Alliotts, and speak to Luke and Jay and the team, have a discussion with them around how they can help you understand that. Businesses genuinely getting paid faster as well. We've got features within the product called Invoice Reminders, but we also work with the payment services, and if they're integrated with your invoicing as it goes out by email, our research shows that you can get paid up to 40% faster than if you're using paper invoicing. Tangible benefits for your business there. One of the other key things that I'll just finish on is just to address the issue of security around cloud accounting and around holding data in the cloud. This is still one of the biggest areas of concern for a lot of small businesses, but Xero's attitude to this is absolutely this is our number one priority. So we've released new features into the product We're looking at GDPR as an issue and how we ensure that not only is our product compliant with GDPR, but also that it goes that extra step. So two-factor authentication, the use of biometrics, having a hub where Alliotts can request information and receive information from you, and other technology in there that really means that your data is kept safe and secure. Just a final word from me. I think my takeaway for you listening to this would be to contact Alliotts about what they can do to help, what they can do to support, and what they would recommend you do going forward if this is a route you're looking to take up. If you're already holding your records digitally, fantastic, well done. I think I would also encourage you just to talk to the team here about what add-ons, what applications can be used to save you time, make you more efficient, but ultimately to help your business grow. So thank you.